The world of dental care is transforming with excellent, detailed, and customized dental implants and prosthetics. As healthcare, including high-quality dental and orthodontic care, expands in India, dental implants, especially those which are sharp focused to specific individual needs, are a growing segment. Kamal designs, creates and produces versatile and differentiated dental implants and dental prosthetics benchmarked with the world's best. Our dental implant systems are meticulously crafted to provide seamless integration of exceptional quality and outstanding durability. We are passionate about seamless advanced technology and compassionate care which optimize patient experiences and outcomes. As we continue to innovate, we are dedicated to setting new standards in dental health, ensuring that every smile reflects confidence and well-being.